Today I'm going to show you how to create a new Android Studio project. So I'm going to open Android Studio. For the first time opening, you will see this welcome screen, and here click on create a new project, and you will see a screen like this, and you can click on basic activity, empty activity, or if you want to create a secure application with NDK, you can click on it. I have a KMM plugin installed, that's why it's showing, but I'm not going to use them. I'm going to select empty activity and click next. Here name, this will be your project name, suppose HelloWorld. And this is the package name. So package name would be like suppose tohidapps.com. Here .com will be the first part, and the domain part will be the next section after com, and lastly this part is actually your project name, so hello world. So you can change it here as you wish. This is the convention. You can maintain this convention or you can't, it's your wish. And save location, I'm gonna use save location to my desktop, and you can change it here. So desktop, open, and lastly you have hello world. This is the project name. Hello world. As there is another folder on my desktop, so this there is a warning already exists. So I'm gonna change this name to hello world 2, and there is a language selection, that's Kotlin or Java, so you can choose whatever you want. I'll suggest Kotlin because this is preferable language, and minimum SDK, this is default actually. You can choose 16 or any other the minimum version support you want. Okay, and click finish. You must have to online when you are creating your project, because this will download some libraries. After creating a project, this project will be like this, and you will see a main activity.kt file. This is here, and an activity underscore main.xml file. From the top right section there is a split button, and click on it, so you can see the preview and code both. And if you see the preview like this, change it here, so design. So this button will help you to select the design or blueprint. So design will be good when you are adding some views. So if you want to see this, on the left side you will see your project structure and where is actually this XML file. So if you want to find your XML file from the project, so directly click here. So this will take you to the actual file. Okay, so this is actually in the res folder, that means a resource folder and layout folder. So inside of layout folder you will see the activity main XML. Okay, here we will write code for UI, or actually user interface, and on KT file we can add some functionalities, API call or etc. So this is actually our hello world project, and so if you wanna run this, so you have to add an Android virtual device or AVD. So go to AVD and you have to create a virtual device. After creating a virtual device, just you can run it from here, or just select your device and click here, run. So this will start an Android emulator. So Gradle build will take some time. So after building this Gradle, this project using Gradle, so it will install to our emulator and will run automatically. So it's installing and launching activity. So here is our app, so hello world. So if you click on back button, this will take to the home, and going to the application you will see hello world. Here it is, so hello world application. So if you open here, click on icon, so you will see our app. So this is actually our hello world project. Thank you.